What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how can teachers connect and basically stay in touch with parents on ClassDojo, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So there is an option called ClassDojo messaging. So ClassDojo messaging is a basically instant and safe way for teachers and parents to privately communicate with each other individually or in groups. Parents and teachers can read and respond to messages from the website or from the mobile app. In addition to sending messages, teachers are also able to send photos, stickers, and files to parents. The content of all messaging, including basically photos, stickers, files, and so on and so forth, is stored by ClassDojo. All messages are sent within ClassDojo service and are encrypted and do not employ SMS. When a teacher or parent receive a message, they will be notified with an email and or a push notification on their phone. They must then log into their account to view the message and respond to it. Teachers can of course report messages to their ClassDojo moderator team and block other users from contacting them. Parents can also report messages and basically again block other users. So for record keeping purposes, teachers can download and print their messages, and family messaging allows families within a class to communicate privately. So guys, ClassDojo set up a nice way so you can stay in touch with the parents of the children who attend your class. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.